Hello friends, my name is Pankaj and I'm working in IBM as a reporting analyst and I'm a contributor to Big Data Simplifier. So the today topic is how to create table in Hive and how you can load the data from local file to Hadoop, then Hadoop to Hive. So this is a topic which we are going to learn today. First, before moving to hands-on session, I'll just type what are the steps I'm going to follow here. So first step would be creating a table in Hive. Then second step is loading the array, copying the data from local system to HDFS. Then third step would be loading the data from HDFS to Hive. These three major steps I'm going to follow and I'm going to show it today. So now we'll come to the hands-on. Here I've logged in my terminal through root, but just to avoid access and the permission, I'll log in Hadoop user HDFS is a super user for Hadoop. I logged in here. Now I'll start Hive here. To start Hive, just press Hive and it will automatically start. And Hive is a data warehouse infrastructure built on top of Hadoop, which provides a Hive query language through which we can interface with Hadoop and we can modify and we can query on Hadoop database. So now we have logged into the Hadoop. So we just see how many databases are available. So there are only one database, that's default. So we create one more database. Just to create database, we see use Pankaj. Create database name. It's got created. Now I'll see use Pankaj. So I am in Pankaj, but here it's not showing on which database I am. I'll just press Ctrl L to clear my screen. Here it's not showing on which database I am. So just to see while working in which database you are, just need to set some parameter. Set hive.cli command line interface .print .current.db is equal to true. Now this will give us on which database we are working. So here I am going to create a table. So before I go ahead and create a table, I'll show you where my data is and how the data looks like. So friends, my data is there on the desktop. This is called training.csv. This is the data which I am going to copy from local system to HDFS and HDFS to Hive. So just we'll see what is there inside. To read the file, we use cat command. See here you can see name, ID, mobile number, and this is salary. And this data is separated by comma. So we'll create a table accordingly. So it's very simple. To create a table, we'll type create table. This is a table sample one. Now name string. If you want to type some comment, we can write it here. Comment is name of the employee. Next ID, it's int. Then I guess mobile number and salary. Mobile number, that's a big int, and salary float. Now we have to say row format delimited. Row format delimited field terminated by and where fields terminated by comma. Very simple. Row format delimited, fields terminated by comma, and it should be in quote, and lines terminated by \n, stored as text file. We'll hit enter. So here our table got created. So if you want to see that, so table, there is only one table it's showing because you have created only one table inside the Pankaj database. If you see describe this table, it says name, string, data type, and this is the comment which we have given. ID, int, mobile number, big int, salary, float. So our next step, I'm going to copy data from local file. Local file means the data is there in my desktop. From desktop to Hadoop. Then I load this data to Hive. So here I'll become super user, and HDFS is super user for Hadoop. I logged in. So to check what are the files are there in Hadoop directory, just press Hadoop fs -ls, then user, then in landing directory I'm checking. So here there is only two directory are there, column import and MySQL. There is nothing called training.csv. So I'll copy this string.csv to this landing directory, Hadoop fs copy from local, and where this data is residing in my desktop. I'll just copy this location to avoid spelling mistake. this is the file, this is the location from where I'm going to copy the file, and where exactly I'm going to copy this file, in user landing. And what would be the name? I'll just type excel.csv. I press enter. Now the data got copied here. If you check, so now see, one new file came, that's excel.csv, which we have just copied. So now I'm going to load this data from Hadoop to Hive. So what is the command we use to write? It's very simple. Load data in path where our data is residing, user landing, node, and where I'm going to copy, and in which table I'm going to copy, into table sample 1. That's it. Oh, something has happened. Oh, here is a mistake. I have just typing mistake. Now this should work now. See here friends, it's got copied and total size is 383, number of files 1, and the time taken was 0.81 second. So we'll just verify whether this data is exist or not. I'll press Ctrl L to clear my screen. Then show tables, sample 1 has come here. Then select star from sample 1. Here friends, our data is residing here. Name, ID, mobile number, salary. If you want to print in a better way, so you can use Impala, and most of the commands are work same in Hive and Impala. So what you have to type to start the Impala, and how we start the Impala, very simple. Type if config to see your IP address, and it's very simple. Type to start the Impala, type Impala -cell -i, then IP address 10.0.2 10.0.2 10.0.2.15. It got started. Here we just say use Pankaj because we have created this table under Pankaj database. If we see show database, show tables, we now show tables, it's saying tables. Now if you hit the command select star from sample 1, here you can see name, ID, mobile number, salary. This looks pretty decent, and it's coming in proper format. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching this video, and keep watching my next video. Thank you.